Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for the 14th of May 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, we will take a look at Nifty. Nifty opened with a slight positive bias before witnessing a rally starting at around 11 a.m. The NSE index ended the day with gains of 1.18% or 277 points to close at 23,689.60, which is above the resistance level mentioned today morning. The gains seen today were fueled by value buying at lower levels, optimism surrounding the ongoing US-China talks, reports of the government looking to reduce taxes for foreign investments into bonds, and strong earnings from major companies. Most sectoral indices ended in the green today, with pharma, healthcare, and metals showing the most gains. IT was the only major sector that ended in the red due to AI-led disruption. The volatility index saw a dip today as the markets moved upwards. After the gains seen today, supports may be readjusted upwards to 23,560 followed by 23,370, while resistances will be at 23,760 followed by 23,900. For tomorrow, we may expect a negative bias on account of profit booking after the recent gains. External cues and updates from the ongoing US-China talks may help continue the current rally, especially if there is a dip in crude prices. On the whole, the trend still seems biased to the downside for now. A recovery for Nifty above 24,000 will bring the bulls back in action, while a break below 23,260 could send the index even lower. Now let us check how Sensex traded today. Sensex's gains were slightly less than that of Nifty as it moved up by 1.06% or 790 points to close at 75,399. Supports for the BSE index will now be at 75,185 followed by 74,435, while resistances will be at 75,870 followed by 76,355. Sensex will be bullish if 76,355 is broken on the upside, while bears will dominate if 73,575 is broken on the downside. Next, let us check what transpired for crude oil. The energy counter is still trading within a range as price seems to be swinging to both sides as it continues consolidating. Traders seem to be waiting for the outcome of the US-China talks, which will decide the direction of traded in the short term. Volatility for crude oil is still elevated but has dipped slightly. No changes in levels are required for crude oil today as well, with supports being at 9,435 followed by 9,385, while resistances will remain at 9,790 followed by 9,960. The commodity seems to be consolidating within a range for now, but the general trend is still bullish. The Middle East conflict and the continuation of blockade of the Strait of Hormuz are supporting prices, while positive updates from the US-China talks may weigh on sentiment. Buying the dip with strict stop loss seems like a prudent move for traders in the short term. Bullish sentiment will continue to dominate above 8,880, while a break below 8,440 could lead to further corrections. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. HAL reported a steady Q4 performance, with net profit rising 5.5% year-on-year to 4,196 crore rupees, while revenue saw marginal growth. Sequentially, profits surged sharply from the previous quarter, reflecting improved operational performance and strong execution in the defense segment. Bharti Airtel shares gained around 5% after Sunil Bharti Mittal expressed his intention to increase Bharti Telecom's stake in the company to 51%. The move boosted investor confidence as it signals strong promoter commitment towards the telecom giant's long-term growth. Vishal Mega Mart posted a strong Q4 performance, with net profit soaring 46% year-on-year to nearly 168 crore rupees, supported by robust consumer demand. Revenue also jumped over 22%, highlighting strong growth momentum in the retail business. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted this weekend. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amol Chape will be conducting a webinar on the topic Learn Volume Profile, how to use volume for huge profit in options trading. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will conduct a webinar on the topic Expiry Day Trading Strategy Masterclass. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.